what's up and welcome back. I believe if you are here it's because you want to know how to make a logo for free in 2020. So without further ado, let's get into it. In today's video, I am going to show you how I made a logo for my husband for his Twitch account. If you want to follow along on how to make your own logo for free in 2020, you will need your phone or your iPad in my case, and you will need to download the app Picsart. So you might wonder, what do you need except of your phone or the app? Well, you will need a profile picture of yourself or whatever your business is about, and you will need to know what kind of shape you want to use. A circle, a square. Then you will need a name. It can be your name or a variation of that name or your initial. Then you will need to decide what kind of background do you want, if it's a solid background, if it's an image, or whatever you feel comfortable with. You don't even have to have a background. It can be like transparent background, that's totally fine. Once you decided what you want to do with your logo, you are going to take your phone and we are going to start to make a logo for free. Alright, let's do this together. I'm going to go record my iPad and I'm going to show you how I'm doing it. Alright, to make my husband's logo, we are going to take a picture of him. We are going to take off the background. Then we are going to add a circle. I want to add some headphones. I'm going to use a transparent background in this case, so let's get into it. I'll show you. So we're going to go on the plus. Choose the picture that we want to use. In that case is my husband. We're going to go in the cutout, select the person, and here we need to erase some of the selection that we don't want to bring with us. So let's do this. You can also restore. Sounds good to me. Now we're going to save, next, and we're going to save our picture. Now we're going to go back to the main page and we're going to go on plus and we're going to select the transparent background. Here we're going to go on stickers and we're going to try to find the shape that we want to use. In my case, I want a circle, so I'm gonna go on circle and I'm gonna choose one of those circles. We're gonna use this, gonna center it. I really don't like the color, so we're going to add an effect, that one, apply, and now we're going to add our picture. This one, we're going to add it. We're going to add an effect to it as well. What about Badlands? I don't want those colors, so I'm going to tap onto circle here, and also I'm going to modify a little bit the thing that I don't like about this filter. So let's do it. There you go, apply. Now we're going to put this one there and we are going to erase. Again, you erase or restore as many times as you need. When this is how you like it, you apply. Since this is logo for his Twitch account, I'm going to add a little headphone. Let's do that. can erase some parts that is a little bit too much. We're gonna apply this, and now we are going to add his name on Twitch. I need to go back on add photo. It's here, add, and we're going to put Phantom on the back. So now I need to erase all the parts in front of him. And we are pretty much done. I love it. We got a really cool logo. Yes! We did it, guys. Just made your own logo for free thanks to Picsart. So let's recap quick what we did. We select a picture. We took off the background. We add a shape. On this shape, we add our image on the back. We did a transparent background. We add some effects on our picture, and we add the name of your brand on the back of your picture. It was that simple. I hope you guys liked this video. Please give me a thumbs up if you did, and don't forget to subscribe to never miss any edit with me video. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know what kind of logo you made thanks to me, and I will see you next time. Okay, test. You want to follow along, you will need to pas du tout.